This just in, we have a very exciting story for you this week. We've all heard of Florida Man, but Florida pigeons? Florida Man, a very popular internet sensation in the last few years, has now been able to spread its warmth and delight to the animals native to Florida. Have any of you ever heard of Florida pigeons? Late one evening in June, in Daytona Beach, Florida, a crate carrying 100 homing pigeons fell off of a truck. That's not the exciting part. They then refused to move off of the highway. I'm told that pigeons like to naturally nest at nighttime, so they weren't very keen on removing themselves from the highway. Then they would see the blinding lights from the cars and get flustered and ended up flying around, only a little bit, and then would land where they were, thus creating a very, very hazardous traveling condition. So officials ended up having to shut down the highway. Many agencies work together in order to try to resolve this situation as fast as possible. Their main goal was making sure these homing pigeons went back home. I am told that there were 100 pigeons, and due to the fact that the owner did not have bands on them, they had a very hard time trying to locate their proper home. Nonetheless, at the end of the day, 73 pigeons were able to make their way back home. I don't know about you, Carl, but I'd count that as a happy ending. Back to you guys at the station.